we're going to go ahead and we're going to give an example of selection. So selection in programming is the ability for a program to make a decision or appear to make a decision. Terminology correct here. In the case of C, we have a case of if statements, if else statements, or if Elseif statements. So we'll go ahead and we'll make our little sample program. Variables. We're going to have int user choice. We're already defined into it. We're going to ask right away. And we're going to store that format specifier for an integer. We're going to store it right into user choice. We have our user choice now. That so selection. What we want to do if the user enters a value less than 5, we want to do something. So if user choice is less than 5, print out. And with that, we've got our first example. So we've got a bit of if statement, a bit of selection. So we'll get our terminal out and it'll ask us to enter a number and we'll enter 4. User entered value less than 5. Didn't include my line there. We'll go ahead and include that. Run it again. Enter value 4 and that's an if statement, basic if statement, and this means this equates to true or false, essentially. See here. It'll come down, it'll ask us to enter a number, and we'll enter 4, and we can see user choices 4, 4 less than 5, that's 4 less than 5, true, true, true it runs in, false it skips. Run it, and it is. Let's run it again. Actually make it something that's not less than 5. 5 not less than 5 equal to. We'll go ahead, it prints out now. That's a bit of selection, our program's doing something. It doesn't always have to be numbers, it can be characters, floats, or structures, it can be any sort of complex statement you choose. But let's look at the else statement also. So the else statement catches everything that's not true for the first one. So if the user choice is less than 5, that's else print. Go ahead and save it. We'll move our statement to breakpoints to here. I will now see that we have our question. We enter 5, jumps down. The first one's the choice is 5, so that equates to true or false. Jumps to the jumps down. Next statement's an else. It is else. False. It prints out. Breakpoint. That's our second selection. We also have an if else if. So if allows us to test for a second condition if the user choice equals 5. Fix that so unsensitive. Also add. We now have three possible directions the program can branch into. So if it's less than 5, get that output. If it is 5, we'll get the center output. And if it's greater than 5, else, everything else. Fantastic. Hope that helps with some selection basics.